Welcome back, and this is another request. Last what I get, there's the new request that hi bro, I have a request. Please make a tutorial on how to select weapon on starting menu, and whatever we select, it should be added to the player in the game since like PUBG. Okay, so basically what you want, let me show you first. That is pretty similar like that. There's always game menu or main menu, whatever it is, so he'll be select any of weapon, and whenever he select, now we have Discord channel, so you can join there. And also you have any type of question, or if you want to send me any log, you can just go there and join, and you can send me. Also we have Telegram channel, so you can join there too. You can follow us in our Facebook page or visit my profile, and you can download my game from Google Play Store. If you have any personal project or you want to just send me personally something, so you can send me Gmail on my Gmail ID, also in LinkedIn. You can get my paid course from Udemy, link in the description below. Also you get my plugins, assets and other stuff in my Epic Marketplace account, link in the description below. The weapon will automatically add with his player, and he can play with them with that weapon. Okay, that is the basic stuff. Okay, and now let me show you how I did that. So first, in my third person, I create a new UI or the widget, that is store UI. So at this store UI, I simply just add some border and a 3 buttons, simple weapon 1, weapon 2, weapon 3, and then in my skeleton, I just create a new stock, so I can spawn, wherever I spawn that weapon, I can attach that. So for attaching that with my body, I just simply create a new socket. So this is the basically socket name. And then in my player, what I did, I just simply create 3 custom events, that is W, W2, W3. That is basically weapon 1, weapon 2 and weapon 3. So for the weapon 1, that is the basically simple code that add a skeletal mesh component. So if you don't found like that, you can search something like that, add not this one, add skeletal, and you find this skeletal mesh component, because we are basically spawning that in our component section, that's why. So then we can select our reference, which type of gun or stuff we want to spawn. Even you can, if you want, you can spawn the static mesh also, so it doesn't matter. So then I get my mesh and get the world location and just simply spawn that. And once I spawn, I just simply attach actor to component. But at here I use the attach component to component, because this is my component. Okay, this is not an actor, because it's spawning like a component. That's why I connected that attach component to component, and the parent is basically my mesh. And then I give the socket name, and then set the location, rotation and scale rule to keep snap target and snap target. Okay, once you do like this, then you need to basically call that in into your UI. Okay, basically, so just go to your graph. Oh yeah, in the third person I create the UI also, like simply at here I just create that widget, and I create a variable in my UI. Okay, this is my main player reference. I set that to editable and exposed on pawn, and at here I just set my self reference, and I just create that widget. Once it's done, I have now my player reference. So from that player reference, I just call that W1, W2, W3, and then I just simply connect with the weapon 1, weapon 2 and weapon 3. So as a result, what's happening is basically just suppose this is my main UI, and I just create that, I select that, and I have now a weapon. Even I can use that, and I can do anything with this. Okay, so I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Also let me know if I have any type of request. I try to make that video. Now we have Discord channel, so you can join there. And also you have any type of question, or if you want to send me any log, you can just go there and join, and you can send me. Also we have Telegram channel, so you can join there too. You can follow us in our Facebook page or visit my profile, and you can download my game from Google Play Store. If you have any personal project or you want to just send me personally something, so you can send me Gmail on my Gmail ID, also in LinkedIn. You can get my paid course from Udemy, link in the description below. Also you get my plugins, assets and other stuff in my Epic Marketplace account, link in the description below.